and welcome to News Cues India show. The topic will know about 13 reasons of India and China's conflict, why this conflict between India and China has arisen. So, let's begin. India and China share about 3,488 km long border which is yet to be fully delineated. China still claims over 90,000 square kilometer area of Arunachal Pradesh, calling it South Tibet. Besides the eastern and western sector and the middle sector of Uttarakhand, China claims area of about 10,000 square kilometer. The border of India and China lies in the highest altitude zones of Himalayas. Both countries are committed to build the infrastructure till the last mile. The matter gets complicated as both the countries are militarily strong. China has 3 lakh soldiers whereas India has 1,20,000 soldiers in the region. China began the practice of issuing stapled visa to residents of Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, to which India was anti. In 2011, they stopped issuing stapled visa. India has long tradition of trade with Nepal and Bhutan. Nepal has been dependent on India for all practical economic purposes. China has an undeclared policy of string of pearls to encircle in India. This involves building up of ports and naval bases around India's maritime reaches. China is historically involved in river water sharing disputes with almost all its neighbors including Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam and Thailand. India has been pushing for entry into the exclusive club of nuclear fuel suppliers, Nuclear Suppliers Group (NSG). It is a body of 48 nations which have an understanding to supply nuclear fuels to nuclear power nations. China has been blocking India's attempt to entry to this exclusive club on one or the other pretext. Observers say that China is building a case for Pakistan by blocking India's entry. Pakistan has also applied for the entry of this club. While India has been unequivocal in condemning terror outfits and identified Pakistan as the biggest source of terrorism, China has defended Pakistan at every single forum. China calls Pakistan its all-weather friend and has huge investment in that country. China is building China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), which passes through the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India has objected to the CPECC. China occupied Tibet in 1950. Tibet has declared independence from China in 1913. A 17-point agreement was signed and Tibet legally merged with China. India has accepted the merger. The Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee made a formal announcement during his visit to Beijing in 2003. That's it for today. Stay tuned to News Cues India.